up 6-0. Certainly anyone's game in the second half. Let's go to the third quarter now. Oak Grove with the ball, and watch this. Vanderwall hits Blake McBeth, but McBeth does arrest himself. He stays in bounds and proceeds to pick up yards after the catch. A complete effort play, and here's Oak Grove threatening again. They cap off the drive with McBeth up the middle from 2 yards out. That makes it 12-0 Oak Grove. And this time, Jeremy Kolb, he makes the kick afterward, and that makes it 14-0. And with their play of the defense doing so well, it would be tough on Granite Bay. Late in the game, Oak Grove looked to add to its lead as they move the ball down the field behind the running McBeth. And with this run by Arsenio Ayala, they get the ball to the Granite Bay 5-yard line. And with 12 seconds left on the clock, this game all but over. But Elk Grove turns to Vanderwall one last time, and he connects with Reinwald for a touchdown. And that does it as Oak Grove takes this one by a final of 22-0. And now they'll take on Woodland in the Midget Division Championship this Saturday at Roseville High School.